So you want this lifestyle and you're still sleeping on BTC. The Trump just got in and everything is shooting up. I just did look and laugh. Now Gary na go use do this December like this. Your babe go view our status. She go come our house and we go do the thing. Because you don't know this 8 BTC strategy that is going to change your life before Christmas. And because of that mistake, you are going to be selling here instead of buying. They ignore the vital rule of taking a profitable trade, which is always look for the liquidity. I can't stress this enough, but if you want me jingling your babe groups, so I sing jingle bells in Christmas carol, then ignore your business strategy, which is called liquidity grab, which is a cheat code. The way you liquidated that guy Hyman, that is the same way smart money is liquidating all those people stop loss. Like after you disvirgin that guy, was the thing smooth or not? It was smooth. So after market movers liquidate all those gamblers there, it is going to be smooth. Like for the first case study, you can see there was liquidity at that point there. When price liquidated, price started moving well. Another liquidity liquidated, another liquidity liquidated. That is literally a pattern that you want to exploit, like how you did when you want to destroy the Hyman. Like just imagine if you hadn't zoomed out and saw this big picture. That's how you'll be trapped on that lower time frame. You'll be thinking it's going to go down like this instead of going up to see what's happening. You need to be willing to explore. Don't be deceived by what you're seeing, like big nash. Which brings us to the third strategy, which is pattern recognition strategy, which is literally studying past pattern, and then when you repeat in future, you want to do the same thing you did in the past that made you profit. Like if you look at this point, like you can see the price was rejected from the trend line, and then if you go down there, you can see there was another trend line there. Just wait for me to mark it. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 retest there. And what the price do, as I zoom in, you can see it respected everything, and then when it touched the fourth time, it started going up. Same with that other one, touched the fourth time, started going up. And this one, which is the third one too, something similar happened on this one. You can see mark the trend line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and the price spiked right back up. This is a sign that as long as this pattern is reoccurring, the trend is going to stay bullish. So that was another confirmation why I was still going to be buying, because in the past it was giving me this pattern and then price was going up, and even when price was giving me this pattern, you can even get similar entries there because price was respecting every single fair value gap before or after this pattern occurred. Like if you look at that other one too, you can see. Just give me a minute, let me mark this stuff now. You go to your object, plot your rectangle to here, and you can see it's literally marked and respected that FEG there. Literally, that's it. It's very, very simple. Go to the past, see what works, and then replicate it. It is very, very simple. And this was one of the reasons why I was able to get the same result. Like this all happened, the flips and all, it happened in less than how many days? Is it not 1, 2, 3 days? Literally, you can see another fair value gap respected. It is very, very simple. It is very, very simple, and this is the kind of strategy that you can just stick to. Like be like, okay, this is what I want to do all my life. This is what I want to do all my life. I don't want to be chasing big nyash. I don't want to be chasing big boobs. I just want to be chasing one thing, which is Tinibeku, because now Tinibeku they deal your pass. Maybe all those are we go dey carry kiniko make them up and down. Tunde, Shade, Shalewa, they go even the knack lesbian go. You don't want to be explaining up and down. You want to stick to one thing. You want to stick to one thing. If you know that this stuff is already working like this on BTC like this, you want to keep doing it. You can see another fair value gap is respected. 2, literally after the pattern occurred. That's to show you that this stuff work. And it takes someone that is very smart to spot something like this and capitalize off this and exploit the life of the system. That's it. And that's another confirmation. For the fourth confirmation, you can see that there was something like a large order block there. But most people will make a huge mistake, which is going in. You will carry your head. Anything you see, anything that moves, you want to enter the skate. You don't want to just enter any other block like that. Basically, that's why we have to go through a lot of confirmation. And even if we're even going to be entering this other block, we are going to be entering it as 50%. That's it. Enter it by 50%. You can see how bullish the trend is. Very neat price action. That's when you now start spamming entries. That's it. You now start increasing your lot size because you have a lot of confirmation. It has happened in the past, it's definitely going to happen in the future, and if it does not even happen today, it's going to happen tomorrow. So why should you be scared of doing this thing? I'm not saying you should go out there go and be taking risk like that. Like most people now, you tell them something, oh, yes, they'll go out there, they'll go and toast one girl, the girl will reject them because they don't get money. But when they were motivating them, they'll feel like wow, can you call? That's not how life is. So you need to be guided on everything, and before you even do this, you want to have a lot of money, a lot of racks in your asa, that in case you lose this, you can fund again and try it again, because not all strategy is going to work all the time. That's it. So as you can see, I was just adding a small. When you have gotten the first entry and you have maxed it, as price is going up, you want to be increasing it slowly. You don't want to go and knock one huge lot size just like that. You want to be increasing it slowly. You can see the process. That's why I did not cut this part out, because most people just think I just go. They don't know that this is literally the process, slow process of just going in, and then when they see the result, they'll be like, wow, this guy is doing magic. Meanwhile, it is literally very simple, and then that's when you want to close. If you are satisfied with your profit, you see it's up like times 3 or this thing, you just close fast. The next trade you can risk like 30% of the profit that you make here. It's very simple. So you want to close everything very fast, but this has disadvantage because you have to take time before you close everything. That's why you need to be using MT5, not MT4. But me, I'm very fast, so I'm going to like close everything, and then I move to the next trade. You can see on this next trade I was like selling, and basically what I was saying here is because it's not as if the buy failed, but because I understand that the market dynamics is already changing. Like literally we are still on the same pair, almost at the same point, but I am doing the opposite, which is instead of continuing to buy, I closed earlier, I was selling. Why? Because the change is already happening, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can identify this change, because most people don't know how to know when they have bought to a particular point. They will not know when it's going to sell, and how you're going to know it is by studying the market dynamics, the present market dynamics. Because the overall trend is a buy, but you want to catch a short scalp, because price was rejecting from those points. You can see how price was respecting every single supply zone there. So basically, this is a sign that the trend is about to shift on lower time frame, or it's going to drop for some time. So basically, what you want to do is you want to catch some quick box. That's it. You just want to catch that quick box, and then when you have done catching the quick box, you want to like go in fast and then come out very fast. So when you are done catching the quick box, you can see it was already in profit. What you do is that you want to get out of the trade. Basically, my own target was around that imbalance there below. So I was waiting for price to like just kiss it small, and then when you kiss it, I'll just close and then move to the second trade. That's how you want to be trading. You don't want to be looking like swag bed here. And so they give some people their babe right up like this. They will look like swag bed. They will say, this guy is just a friend. Because it's not me. You just give the guy one slap like this way. See, you are not here for jokes. So basically, what you want to do is, if you are satisfied with your profit, you want to close on this point in time. I can see I was still spamming again on 1 minute time frame. This was after like 1 or 2 hours after the last trade. I was still selling again, although the trend was overall bullish. It was overall bullish. That's why you need to know how to scalp. You need to understand market dynamics. You want to be smart. You want to be very fast. Like all these small move, because all these small move, they happen very fast. But if you leverage on it very well, like you can get like times 5, times 10 in just few seconds. Now I'll be showing you why I was even selling at this point, because if you go to hit TF time frame, you can see we're on the monthly. Nothing is happening here, and people are still going to lose this trade. Like they are going to miss it, because instead of like understanding momentum, like you can see price was literally at the overbought level, which is bring us to the 6th strategy. Price was at the overbought level and there was fair value gap below. So if price is at the overbought level and there's liquidity below, then price has to come down to tap into it before it goes back up. and follow the normal structure, you can see it's happening very fast, like literally at our front here as I'm explaining it. But you don't want to make a mistake to like wait for price to get to that point. You want to close before it gets to that point. You want to do it very fast, because if you do mistake and kiss that support there like this, is already going up very fast, and even you can see that it's already rejecting as soon as it even hits this favorable gap. That's literally how it works. You want to be very fast. You want to close very fast, because if you don't, you are going to miss it. So basically, this is when I was closing the trade there. I don't like to waste time. I don't like when you have suffered to make something then want to now come and clear everything, then you suffered in vain. You know the emotions that you go through trading BTC, not to talk of gold and this thing. So for the second one, you can see I flew into action. We don't waste time here, which is for the seventh strategy. Seventh strategy is just literally buying from that favorable gap there. Use it as draw of liquidity. When price gets to the low draw of liquidity, what do? You buy. It's very simple. You buy. Even that draw of liquidity below itself, there was still even something like a support zone. So that was like maybe the 8th confirmation. That's like the 8th confirmation. It's basically the last confirmation there. The favorable gap, and then what? The support zone there. I was looking at it that if price is going to drop down, then the support zone is going to back it up, basically. So that's the 8th confirmation. That's it. So showing some signs of like rejection, but us, we know the panic for here like this. We'll be doing this shit for days, and even safe news was about to drop. Is it like it was about to drop or it already dropped? Something like that. But I knew that gold and BTC was still going to be going up, because Trump is now in, and he gave the green flag that BTC is acceptable, kiniko. And people like to see stuff like that. So a lot of people will be running into crypto, and as they have seen that price go up small like this, more people will be like, wow, BTC is going up. And then what are they going to do? They are going to panic buy. And basically that's what is happening here. A lot of people don't want to miss the move. They don't want to do this thing. I was even on call with my girlfriend when this stuff happened like this. I showed her this stuff. I was on call, you need someone to be warming your head, when you're going through all this kind of emotions. So called her, I told her, Kiniko, looks like BTC. She said, wow, Kiniko. I knew that. And I even told her about the sales, that sale was a trap. She thought I was joking, and I showed her after the stuff dropped. And then this is me buying again. I showed her before I bought Kiniko. I can see it's good profit there. That's how easy it is to make money. And basically, you can see 20k, less than a few minutes, just like 3 days. That's it. So if you go value, like, sub, click link in the description. And if you want your account managed in the next video, click link in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next video.